Hello, we're going to look at how to manage your OneDrive storage. So open up the browser, I'm using Edge, and then in the top left hand corner click on the 9-box waffle and choose OneDrive. That should open up your OneDrive. Then down in the bottom left hand corner you should see something that says storage, and then you'll see a link and it will tell you how much storage you're currently using. I'm currently using 102 gigabytes. That's because I've got a lot of podcasts on there. So if I click onto that, it's showing me my largest files, so I can see all of them, unsurprisingly, are Clipchamp video files. So all I need to do if I want to delete one is very simply click onto the file I want to, select the file I want to remove, click on the three dots, click delete again to confirm, and then to finally ensure that the data has been removed and I've got a saving on the size of data available. If I go to recycle bin, I can then select those files or just simply select empty recycle bin. So it's a two-step process. Initially go through your larger files and delete those if you don't need them anymore, and then having done that, go into your recycle bin and empty your recycle bin. And that's how you can just free up some additional space on your OneDrive. Thanks for watching.